Do you create content, be it text, image, or video based content? If yes, then this video is going to be immensely helpful for you. In this video, I am going to explain what TOFU, MOFU, and VOFU are and why they are important for your content marketing strategy. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever purchased something without doing any research or comparison beforehand? Probably not, right? You see, most people go through a process of learning, evaluating, and deciding before they make a purchase decision. This process is called buyer's journey, or better known as sales funnel in the marketing industry. And it consists of 3 stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. As a content marketer, your job is to provide information to the potential customers on the right platform at the right time, so that you can attract, nurture, and convert them into loyal customers. But how do you know what kind of information they need at each stage of customer journey? That is where TOFU, MOFU, and VOFU comes in. Hi, my name is Shobhik Ghosh, and today you are watching Internet Entry. I'm here to help you create and deliver amazing content for your target audience. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Well, let's dive into today's topic: TOFU, MOFU, and VOFU. These are the acronyms that refer to the stages of content marketing funnel, which is a framework for creating and delivering valuable content to your target audience. Let me break it down for you. TOFU stands for top of the funnel, which is the awareness stage. At this stage, your potential customers are looking for information about a problem. They are not ready to buy anything yet, but they are open to learn about their situation and possible solution. Your goal is to provide them with educational and informative content that helps them understand their problem and introduces them to your brand. Some examples of TOFU content are blog post, ebook, infographic, podcast, and video, etc. Let me explain it to you with more details. Blog post. These are the articles provide valuable information on a topic related to your industry or niche. They can help you understand your authority, increase your organic traffic, and generate leads. For example, if you are a digital marketing agency, you can write a blog post on how to create content marketing strategy. Also, you may create ebooks. These are the longer and more in-depth piece of content that offers comprehensive guide on a specific topic. They can help you showcase your expertise, generate leads, and build your email list. For example, if you're a software company, you can offer an ebook to choose the best software for your client's business needs. You may also create infographics. These are the visual representation of a data or information that makes complex topics easier to understand. They can also help you attract attention, increase social share, and drive traffic to your website. For example, if you're a travel agency, you can create infographic on the best travel destinations for 2024. And then comes the podcast. These are the audio recordings that features conversation or interviews on a topic that interests your audience. They can help you build a loyal fan base, increase your brand awareness, and establish your credibility. For example, if you are a fitness coach, you can host a podcast on how to stay fit and healthy. Also, you can use video contents. These are the motion pictures that capture the attention of your audience and engagingly deliver your message. They can help improve your conversion and boost your SEO. For example, if you are a fashion brand, you can create videos on how to style your clothes on different occasions. Well, I hope you have understood the TOFU, or top of the funnel model. Now it is time to understand MOFU, which stands for middle of the funnel, which is the consideration stage. At this stage, your potential clients have defined their problems and are evaluating different options to solve it. They are aware of your brand and your solution, but they are just not convinced yet that you are the best choice for them. Your goal is to provide them with content that showcase your expertise, credibility, and the value proposition. Some examples of MOFU content are white papers and webinars. Let me explain those examples to make you understand a little bit better. Webinars. These are the live or recorded online presentations that offer valuable insights, topics that is related to your product or service. They can help you educate your lead, demonstrate your value proposition, and generate more sales. For example, if you are a real estate agent, you can host an webinar on how to buy your first home. White papers. These are the authoritative and persuasive report that provide solution to a specific problem or challenge faced by your audience. They can help you showcase your thought leadership, generate leads, and influence decision makers. For example, if you are a cybersecurity company, you can publish white paper on how to prevent cyber attacks. Newsletters, these are the regular email updates that keep your leads informed and engaged with your brand. They can help you build a relationship with your leads, deliver valuable content, and drive traffic to your website. For example, if you are a food blogger, you can send newsletter with your latest recipe, tips, and recommendation. Quizzes, these are the interactive, fun tests that offer personalized results and feedback to your leads. They can help you increase your engagement, collect data, and segment your leads. For example, if you are a personal finance app, you can create a quiz on how to manage your finance and your money. The final jargon in this model is known as BOFU. BOFU stands for bottom of the funnel, which is the decision stage. At this stage, the potential customers are ready to make a purchase, but they need a final push to choose you over your competitors. Your goal is to provide them with content that address the specific needs, objections, and questions. Some examples of BOFU content are product comparison, FAQ, coupons, discounts, and guarantees. Let me explain these examples a little bit more. Case studies. These are the stories that showcase how your product or service has already helped a previous customer achieve their goals. They can help you provide social proof, highlight your benefit, and overcome objections. For example, if you are a web designing agency, you can share your case study on how you increased the conversion of your client's website. Testimonials. These are the quotes or reviews from your satisfied customers to express their positive experience with your product or service. They can help you build trust, credibility, and loyalty. If you are an online course provider, you can display your testimonials from students who have already learned a skill or got a promotion. Free trials. These are the offers that allow your prospects to try your product or service for a limited period of time without any cost or commitment. Demos. These are the live recorded demonstrations that show how your product or service works and how it can solve your prospect's problem. They can help you answer questions, address concerns, and close the deal. For example, if you are a CRM software company, you can offer a demo of how your software can help your prospect manage their contacts, leads, and sale. By creating and delivering content that matches the stages of the content marketing funnel, you can guide your potential customers through their buyer's journey and increase your chance of converting them into loyal customers. So now you know what TOFU, MOFU, and BOFU are and how they can help you create and deliver amazing content for your target audience. If you want to learn more about content marketing, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel. And if you need any help with your content marketing strategy, feel free to reach out to us. We are here to help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Shouvik Ghosh signing off.